Hey friends, Mr. Rogers here. Hey, we are going to go over some rhythm training. This is going to look familiar, sound familiar, but I'm going to go over it with you again just so that we can remember how we perform and say these rhythms. That way, when we get to playing drum buckets a little later on, it's going to be a little bit easier for us. Okay, here we go. Get my slides up for you. There they are. And let's go ahead and put this in present mode. All right, everybody, how many counts? So you can see here, this first note right here, we say ta as a reminder. It's also called a quarter note, but don't worry about that right now. Again, this is called ta. This next one right here, we have two of them. You guessed it, we say TT. TT for two notes. And then finally, if there's one of those notes all by themselves, then we are gonna say just T. Okay, so one note all by itself, you can see it has the little flag here, a little hook on the end. We say T. Okay, and you can always go back and watch this if you need to do a little review. Let's go on to a little bit of practice here. All right, here's the first one. Okay, I'm gonna say it. Ta, ta, T, T, ta, 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 T, T, ta. Okay, and if you need a little bit of guidance with the words there they are. So hey, everybody, remember, I have it on this 5-line staff here, this thing right here. That doesn't change the notes. The notes are still the same. So even though they're on this staff right here, these 5 lines, and there's these symbols up here, the treble clef and the time signature, don't worry about those right now, but these are still the same. I'll say it again. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. All right, let's do another one. Okay, number 2. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, 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 ti. Okay, it helps to look at the top here. You don't always have to look at every single note, but if you see that they're connected at the top, it helps you remember that it's a TT. Okay, there you go. So just so you can see it. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, 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 ti. Number 3. Let's try it together. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Same thing, well, let's try with the words here. Here you go. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And again, if you need to review, you can always come back and watch this again. I'll also put the slides up so that you can see those in the presentation. Okay, here we go. This is where we get to get a little bit more difficult. We have the T all by itself. Okay, so let's go over this. We know this is a ta, 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 T, T, and then right here, we say a T. So it goes T, ta, T, ta. Do that again. T, ta, T, ta. So the whole thing from the beginning, ta, 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 T, 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 ta, T, ta. This is a funny part right here. It's where the beat is actually kind of in between here, but we say it right over it. So it's actually called syncopation. Syncopation. You don't have to remember that right now, but that's what it's called. Let's look at it. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ti, ta. Again, go. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ti, ta. Pretty fun, huh? Okay, that is it for this. We are gonna go on and we're gonna do some practice with the drum beat because it makes it a little more fun with that. Here we go, stay tuned for this.